Iora Ecological Solutions, a Delhi-based firm, has pledged to work with the Meghalaya government and autonomous district councils to establish the state as a green economy hub. After meeting KHADC CEM Pinyait Singh CM, CEO Swapan Mehra shared that Iora is helping farmers maximize the value of their tree assets through carbon finance, with plans to monetize its first carbon credits within 2 to 3 months. With 19,000 hectares and 9,000 farmers on board, Iora aims to expand to 100,000 hectares. KHADC supports the initiative by connecting Iora with communities and providing access to nurseries and forest resources. The project also offers financial incentives under the state's Payment for Ecosystem Services scheme.
Ecological solution, which is Delhi-based, and we are working with the Meghalaya government, KHADC, JHADC and Garo Hills Council on helping community and farmers in Meghalaya get the best value for their tree assets through carbon finance. So in this, we have a partnership with the largest agriculture bank in the world, Rabobank, with whom we are developing this program, and we are soon about to monetize their first carbon in the next 2-3 months. We have onboarded 19,000 hectares, about 9,000 farmers onto our digital platform, and our goal is to take this to 100,000 hectares.
Cái jing tray cái jungi cái jing day cái jungi bat ki cái long ba ling ba jungi ni yo ban penshai ba yo ban pensung tho yaki nong rap cái jungi bat kumjur ki nong shong shnong cái jungi habai day ba cái jing kongsan ban penne pensa ekamariam kamtam yakaba ki nong rap ki jongi kin yo jing mentoi